Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 12 of my daily savings in April. I'm bringing $10 a day to use up as many minis as I can from my stash. So day 12, brought a $10 bill, big spender today. So let's get out our prop coins and $10 worth to match our $10 in cash. Do a little mix. Set that there, add the $10 to our bank. And then nope, I was like, that doesn't look right. Behind the bank. There we go. And now we are going to go to our paperclip, which is on number 2. Paperclip is from Jeanette's Journey, and all the dashboards and prop coins are from Shendell over at Homebody Mama Savings. And I need that. And I need this. All right. I'm distracted. I don't know by what. I'm like totally excited to do this. I think we are going to finish maybe 1 or 2 today. All right, so let's see what we can do. Wow, okay, 2 for 2. 2 for 3. 3 for 4. Oops. 1 for number 5. 1, 2, and 3 for number 6. 2 for number 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. 1 and 2 for number 3. 1 and 2 for number 4. Whoa, I'm going to do that again. That went off camera. 1, 2, and 3 for number 5, and then we will do our last one for number 6, and we will start at 1 tomorrow. All right. Let's see. Oh, and somebody, I think it was Robbie, complimented my nails. Thank you. The other day, and I meant to put it in my video yesterday, but I forgot. Most of us creators, I think at a certain, like once you hit monetization, or even now, I think they lowered it to 500 subscribers. There's YouTube shopping now. So you probably see a lot of the creators you watch tagging products and all that. And we do make a small commission. Like I can tag my products from my website, and I can tag products from Sephora. So like my favorite skin stuff, I mean, I can't randomly do that in some of my videos, but if it makes sense for me to do it, I will, because I could talk about skincare all day long. But so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try to link somewhere on the screen. It's usually a little QR code, depending on if you're watching on your phone or on your laptop or a TV. If you're watching it on the TV, it comes up as a QR code. I know that. But I'll try to link these with the pink tips, because I know I did get an email about it as well. So I wanted to make sure I mentioned that. So one got $1. Alrighty. This one is from Lindsay. Nope, I keep saying this one's from Lindsay because I see the cute bat. It's from Becca. Becca Budget 777. She did not put her name on it. It was when she first started. She was the cutest and kept forgetting, and we would tease her about it. Okay, so we're going to do another row here. I'll be right back. All right, our first 50 cents done, and we will work on that tomorrow. All right, number 2 got $1, $2.50. Pretty cool. And this one is another one from Becca Budget 777. So let's get out my orange. So I'm not going to color in the circle. So we're going to do 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that one. And then we have 25, 50, 75, $1. That's 2. And then we have 25, and 50. Wow. Got through that one pretty good. We have a couple more pumpkins to do. This will save us $4. All right, number 3. I almost said 5 because I saw the 50. Wow, $1.50 going into number 3. This one is from Mandy. Nope, it's from Mindy over at SW Fanatic Saves. And we can do $1.50. So we can do the whole row and then one other one. 25.50, 75, $1, 25.50. Yes. All right, the child. He's so cute. Grogu. It looks like he's wearing a little scarf. Okay, so that will save us $6 when we are done. Oh my. Okay, so we have $1, $2, $2.25 going into number 4. Oh, we just needed 25 cents. I knew we were going to finish one today. All right, so let's do a different color. All right, we got our last little colorful Hawaii State fish. This one is from Rainbow Budgets. We just saved $5. And we still have $2 we can put into a new one, which I probably should get some more made. All right, this is a $4 one. This is Happy Easter. Looks like we have 2 little minis. I'm sorry, tinies. And it's from It's Not Too Late, Terry, Grammy's Journey, EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Tobin Budgets, and Lil's World 733. Oh, I love it. Look at how cute that is. Little bunny feet. All right, so we can do $2. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $1. All right, so we got one of them done, and we will work on that one next time. And then number 5. Number 5 has $1.50. And this one is from CC over at Creationsbymuneca, where I get all of my blinged markies. These are my markies. Blinged markers and dry erase markers. That's what I was trying to say, both at the same time. All right, so we can do another $1. So let's do one of the dollar bills. And then 50 cents. So let's do 2 of the quarters. All right, so we have $1.50 left for this one, and this will save 5. And I got this as a digital on her, is this on her Ko-fi, maybe? Or her website, I can't remember. All right, number 6. Number 6 got $1.25. And this one is from Millennial Saver, Flocking Fabulous. We just needed 75 cents. So we finished another one. So I am going to color these in, and I'll be right back. Fantastic. This saved us $5. So we have 50 cents we can put into a new one that I'm gonna need to get some new stuff out here. So let's do this one. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 2 circles. All right. That was an awesome day 12. So let's get our prop coins and put them back in our little envelope so they're ready to go tomorrow. And then from our bank, we need $10. So 5 and 5. Let's take that 10 I brought. We're going to go all the way back here. I'm going to, since I have these in my hand, I'm going to put those in first, and then we're going to add the cash to my completed amount. This is exciting. Love it. Day 12. Thank you guys so much for being here and hanging out with me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.